Before you can install and start using WYSIWYG Web Builder, you will have to download it to your computer. Please go to www.WYSIWYGWebBuilder.com web link to download the latest version for the software. After you have downloaded the zip file, you must run setup.txt to install the software on your computer. Follow the instructions on the screen and then wait for the installation to complete. A new icon will be added to your desktop called WYSIWYG Web Builder. WYSIWYG Web Builder is a website building tool that helps you design and build full-featured websites without having to learn HTML. When you start up Web Builder, the main screen will look something like this. One of the exciting features of WYSIWYG Web Builder is the ability to add advanced navigation elements to your web page with only a few mouse clicks. The menu bar is one of those elements. To insert a menu bar, select Insert Navigation Menu Bar. The menu bar is a very powerful JavaScript-based menu script that can mimic complex menus found in popular GUI applications. Web Builder provides a menu builder so you can easily add menu items, assign the links and set the style for the menu using the Style tab. Select Add to insert a new item to the menu bar, or Edit to modify the properties of an existing item. To remove an item from the menu bar, select Remove. You can rearrange the items in the menu. You can use drag and drop to move the items around, or by using the Move Up, Move Down, Move Left, or Move Right buttons. The Insert Split button inserts a splitter, divider in the menu. The menu bar can be either vertical or horizontal. When you enable the option Synchronize with Site Manager, Web Builder automatically synchronizes the buttons with the content of the Site Manager, so you do not have to add all your internal links manually. Menu bar style. To change the appearance of the menu bar, either select a predefined theme or select default to edit the menu bar colors and text formatting. Note the effect of the selected theme will only be visible in the browser, so you'll have to preview or publish the page first. preview a page in your browser. Select File Preview in Browser Default Browser, F5, to preview the current page in your default browser. It's also possible to change the browser that is used for previewing. Go to File Preview in Browser, edit Browser List to edit the list of browsers that can be used to preview the pages you are working on. Adding text to a web page. One of the first steps in creating a web page is often adding text. Select Insert Text from the menu and draw a box to indicate the position and size of the text. Note that you can also drag and drop the text object from the toolbox. Next, double-click the box to start editing the text. Type some text and press Enter to go to the next line. The box automatically changes its size to fit the text. Next, you can change the text attributes by highlighting the text you want to modify with the mouse and then choose the new attributes from the Format toolbar. From the toolbar you can change font type, size, bold, italic, underline, text color and highlight color. There are lots of other formatting options available from the Format menu. Link to a page on your own website. Set the link to option to internal web page. Click Select to choose a page. This will list all pages which are part of the current website project. JQuery accordion. The JQuery accordion object displays collapsible content panels for presenting information in a limited amount of space.
I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Photo Gallery. WYSIWYG Web Builder's Photo Gallery is a powerful tool to create amazing galleries. The gallery supports titles, descriptions, frames, lightboxes, Polaroid mode and much more. Adding a gallery is very easy, just drag and drop the photo gallery object to the page, then double-click it to add images. Adding titles. Each photo can have a title and description. You can enable auto titles to automatically assign titles to the images based on the file name or set the title manually. Select the photo in the list and click Edit. The description can have multiple lines. The photo gallery has different title modes and the font and colors can be customized. Gallery mode. The gallery mode specifies what happens when the user clicks on an image. Open in the same browser window. The larger version of the image will be displayed in the same browser window. Open in a new browser window. The larger version of the image will be displayed in a new browser window. Open in a pop-up window. The larger version of the image will be displayed in a pop-up browser window. The pop-up window will have the size of the full image. Open in another window. The larger version of the image will be displayed in another window. For example, in an inline frame, you can specify the name of the target window in the name field. Open in a JQuery dialog. The image will be displayed in a JQuery dialog. Lightbox Gallery. If you select this option, then clicking on one of the images will start a lightbox slideshow. How to insert video on your site. YouTube. Probably the easiest way to add videos to your website that will work in all browsers is by using YouTube. Use the YouTube object in Media section of the toolbox to embed the video in the page. Note that if the video does not play, then you have probably used the wrong URL format. Vimeo. As alternative to YouTube, you can also consider using Vimeo. HTML5 video. To add HTML5 video to your website, you can use the HTML5 video object, which is available in the Media section of the toolbox. Unfortunately, there is no single video format that works with all browsers. However, recent versions of popular browsers, Firefox, Chrome, Edge, Safari, currently support MP4. If you want to support all browsers, old and new, then you will have to create multiple formats depending on which browsers you want to support. How to use the carousel. Here's a short introduction to the carousel object. Yet another powerful feature of WYSIWYG Web Builder. The carousel displays images and other objects by scrolling or animating the content. Users can step to any specific panel on demand using the pagination icons or browse the carousel sequentially by using the back, next buttons. You can also think of the carousel as a multiple-layer slideshow. This is a very effective method to increase the website usability and engage the user. You probably have seen this effect on many popular websites, such as Apple or BlackBerry. Step 1. Drag the carousel object to the page. You will see a blank area with 2 buttons and a pagination control. The buttons can be used to go to the next or previous panel. The pagination control displays a dot for each page in the carousel. You can directly jump to a specific page by clicking the dot. The colors and size of the pagination control is configurable, and of course you can select your own images for the next, back buttons as well. Advanced users can even use events to create custom buttons outside of the carousel. Step 2. To add new content to the current page, simply drag and drop objects within the carousel area. Step 3. To add objects to another page, first go to the page, either by using the pagination controls or next, back, and then drag and drop the object to that page. How to add a site search to your website. WYSIWYG Web Builder has basic built-in search engine functionality, so visitors can search for specific words within your website. The search option does not have any special server requirements because it uses JavaScript, so it's very easy to insert this component to your pages. Saving your website. In WYSIWYG Web Builder you do not edit HTML pages directly. Instead a project file is being used, .wbs, which stores all pages of your website within a single file. Every time you want to edit your website you open this project file. To save your website, including all pages it contains, select File Save Website for the menu and enter a name for the project. Web Builder uses the extension WBS, Web Builder Site, to save the project files. To save your pages HTML you'll need to publish your pages.